Hello viewers, my name is Nikera and welcome to my channel where your soul will grows and your home glows. This is always something that I've always wanted to share with you, and I know for sure that you all have something to share because God has blessed us with various gifts and talent. Let's start on how to organize your kitchen cupboard. Third cupboard. Another cupboard. Third cupboard. Another cupboard. Another cupboard. Next one you're touching. It goes in. Another cupboard. So very disorganized, very messy, a lot of mess. Just never stop to do it. Lot of mess. Another cupboard there, very messy. Very messy. Not so messy. Right, so I'll be just putting on some gloves. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can put some gloves on if you do have some. Next pair. And you just need a clean piece of cloth and just add some dishwashing liquid. That's enough. Just a little bit with a little tip of water and you clean your cupboards, and that should be really sufficient. Alright? I also will be using this laundry detergent. It's a multi-purpose cleaning agent and it smells awesome, guys. It's gonna give my cupboards that beautiful fresh smells. It's amazing. I actually got it from Aldi. It's beautiful. I love it. So I use it. I pour some in my clothing when I'm in the washing machine, and all I need, just a little bit on there. So it's strong. Okay, so this section I've just emptied it as well. But if you can look on the side bits here, I still have the stickers on when it had just been put up, the new cupboards. So I'll just remove these stickers if I can. Yeah, got one down. Okay, so these bottles has been there for a while and they're quite dusty, so you can see very dusty. So all we need is to, if you have bottles that been put down in the kitchen for a while, they will gather a bit of dust. So just give them a wipe. I'm giving myself a timer. I'm hoping to finish the kitchen for within 1 hour. Yes guys, I've never done this before. You know, I'll do everything else, but then just normally do the areas that really needs to be done and keep everything in place. But my cupboards and these things, since I've moved here for almost 3 years now, August coming will be 3 years, I've never done this. But obviously it's something that you do now and again, but it just never looks as if it needs to be done. But I think now it's the time. It has expired. Quick and easy. I'll be touching the clean dishes as I go along. I just want to clean my hands on here, and so I can touch the clean dishes. And I'm just gonna be packing back in as I go and choose what item need to go where. Right, so first of all, I have done one section thus far, and I want to tackle all the dishes first, the cutleries first, before I tackle the shopping, the food stuff, items. So I will just be removing the existing cups and plates, clean the unit thoroughly, and just and put back the items back into the cupboard in an organized fashion. Okay. Finish this unit now, so I'm just gonna wash my hands with the gloves on, because you know it's just as if it's your normal hands, but it just got some gloves on it. And so we'll be in the wash, just give it a dry. Reason being, I'm gonna be touching the clean crockery and put them back into its places. Alright, so you want to organize, first of all, I'm looking for the taller pieces, so the taller piece will go to the back. Alright, I'll show you everything when it's finished. So Hi guys, so I'm now on to cupboard number 4. So sometimes the dishes end up in a bit of a state. So I have actually just got this from the shop yesterday and put it in there, but still it's still not yet organized. So sometimes you find that the dishes are all packed up on each other and you know, just a bit. So there's some in the washing now, so that's why it does not look as if there's much mess. Yeah, so for example, we will have sometimes it's all tucked in like that you know, where the big is on top of the small and all of that. You find that sometimes these dishes as well, they're packed on top of the big ones, and it's so hard to get because you got to lift this bit off and then literally get to these ones. So I've bought these organizer, which I'm going to be taking out again because I just put it in there, to be honest, just to get it out the way. So I didn't really utilize it as it should have been used, and that's only just yesterday I got it. So I'm gonna go through it and then show you the finished product. It's just about putting it in the right angle and to get the dishes on sitting on there in a proper order. Right, so I've cleaned the cupboard and then I've just installed these plate racks. You can get these from Wilkinson. I haven't seen them in Range and I haven't saw it in B&M, but Wilco has these item guys, and I'm sure IKEA would have these as well. IKEA is quite far from me. I would love to go there, but it's quite far from where I'm living at the moment. So the best place you can pop by in on your high street in a local area is you could check out Wilkinson. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be slotting in my plates and then you utilize the space above as well and see how that goes. There's also another shelf at the top, and that should be proper straightforward. Right guys, I've just came up with a problem. I've realized that this is not sitting on the inches that it should be sitting on, and because it push it up higher. So I'm trying to undo it to take it out, but it's not as easy as I would have thought. So I'm gonna have to remove this thing, which is such a shame because I was really looking forward to see the dishes organized in something like this. I'm just gonna have to use these two and then see how far I can get. Yeah, such a shame, because what it is, the space, I need a bigger space, which I can actually do to bring the cupboard. There's another set of holes here that this cupboard, that it can elevate up like that, but I'm unable to unscrew it. So I'm gonna have to wait for my husband to do this for me and then put it back inside. Yeah, so that would be another day because he's not here now that I can call on him. Okay, but we'll work it out. We'll work it out and let whatever we got work. All right, so yeah. There's a lot of junk, a lot of bottles that are not being used, water bottle, drinks bottle, dishes that's out of date, overuse. As you can see, that dish, even the color of it changed. I'm really now changing out from the plastic dishes to glass, apart from the kids' lunch dish. But apart from that, I really like the glassware. So I've just started to clean this section, and boy, it is really horrendous. It is horrendous. Look at that. Oh Lord. Lord, mercy, mercy, mercy. Right, so I've been taking everything out. Moving this item. And alright. Okay. So I'm just going to give it a good clean and I'll get back to you. That I'm gonna be tackling. I've just decluttered some of this stuff and just forget that I haven't given you a review again, but it looks like so already taken out some of the stuff, and this is why it looks a bit empty. Right, so I'll be just cleaning through the cupboard again and dry and then organize. I have now finished cleaning all my kitchen cupboards and done some reorganizing. So let's take a look. I have now finished cleaning all my kitchen cupboards and done some reorganizing. So let's take a look. Quite pleased with the outcome. Quite pleased. Close them up. And again, just another look. And again, another look. Very easy to do once you have the items in the house, and then you are able to organize all the food items. Finally, that's it. Right, so we've come to the end of the kitchen cleaning, tidying and organizing of my cupboard, and thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching through to the end, and I hope you do like. I hope you have picked up some ideas, and I hope you have been inspired most of all to do yours if you have not yet done yours, and I may be able to learn something from you as well. So do leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. It's free. I will do the same for you, so subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Shalom.